Yeah, sure.
Right now.
Okay, let's go. The steps for this build are going to be pretty easy. I'm going to jump into Fusion 360, model up a few snowflakes, and then print them out on my CR10 3D printer using this glow-in-the-dark PLA. First off, I just need to import a snowflakes SVG file that I purchased off Etsy. Since this is a vector-based drawing, all I need to do is extrude them to the thickness that I desire and compile a bunch of snowflakes together to send to the 3D printer. Now that I've got a bunch of these snowflakes printed out, I just need to stick them onto the ceiling. Okay, I'm just going to use something pretty basic. I'm just using sticky putty that I would use on a poster. I'm going to put that on the back of all of them and stick them up to the ceiling. That way there's no damage to the ceiling if they come down, but it's pretty strong. It'll make them stick up. These are going to look great because they're going to absorb UV light from the outside window from the sun, and you also can use a UV flashlight to charge them up to get them glowing nice and brightly. Right, and then if I flip the light off here, a nice glowing snowflake. I just need to add sticky putty to the rest of these and it'll be all good to go. How do you like your snowflakes?
I love them.
Check this out.
Smash that like button and subscribe and come back to my video. Woo, woo, woo.